Hi everyone! So this time I will be teaching you how to create a string art design using the GeoGebra app. So of course you need the GeoGebra app. So the first step, choose point from the toolbar, then create at least 3 non-collinear points. So let's have point A, point B, and then point C. Next, select line and then choose segment. Let us connect point B with point A. So we have segment A and then connect point C with point A, so we have segment B. Next, choose slider from the toolbar, and then click anywhere on the screen where you want your slider to appear. Okay, let's name this slider as slider N. Then for the minimum value, let us use 1. And for the maximum value, we can use any value we wish to use. But for this tutorial, let us use 100. Then for the increment, let's have 0.5. Then click apply. So as you can see, we now have the slider. Next step, go to the input bar, then type sequence, bracket, A. We put A since we have A as the vertex. So A plus I over N, which is our slider. Then parenthesis B minus A then comma I comma 1 comma N, and then after this click enter. So we now have list 1. And then let us make the necessary corrections. So let us remove this opening parenthesis and this one. Click apply and then okay. So we have now the list 1. So that is the okay. For the next step, go again to the input bar, then type sequence, bracket, A plus I over N, which is our slider, then quantity C minus A, comma I, comma 1, comma the slider, which is N, then click enter. So we have list 2. So just like what we did a while ago, let us delete this part and this part. Then after this, for our final step, again to the go to the input bar, type sequence, bracket, segment, bracket, element, bracket, list 1, comma I, then after this is comma, element, then another bracket, list 2, comma, N plus 1 minus I. Then after this, comma, I, comma, 1, and then comma, the slider, which is N, then click enter. So there is another segment created connecting point B and point C, as you can see. Okay, let us try to move the slider and let us observe what happens to the segment, to the new segment that is created. Okay, so there are a lot of segments created. So this is the basic step on creating a string art design. So it's up to you how to make your string art design more creative by creating more points, sliders, and then the design you want to create. So that is all for this tutorial. Thank you for listening.